Hi guys, welcome to the second vlog. Expression, madam. Please. Cons of being a content creator. I have to wait for the whole leaf to be filled so that I can take an aesthetic photo. This is my favorite. Aksha,
Yes,
what is your opinion about movie night?
I wanted it.
ಇವನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಣ್ಣ. ಹಲೋ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Cousin gang in the AC room. ಪಾತರಗಿತ್ತಿ ಪಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನ ಅಕ್ಕ. That's all I can sing. Then we were so bored sitting inside. We thought we'll go outside, play and burn some calories. How many of you remember this game? Searching for the stone. Perfect flat stone for this game. Start. Cheating idu. Cheating. Start. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಾಡ್ ಇಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಲಾಡ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ. Look at the upcoming generation getting to know our 90s games. Headed right now?
Oh, to get ice cream.
Okay, let's see you in the ice cream shop. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಅಕ್ಷ ನಿಂಗೆ?
ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚೊಕೋ ಬರೋದು
ಅಲ್ಲುಂಟಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಮಿನಿ ಚೊಕೋ.
Another nostalgic game,
ಸೇಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು,
but in a modern twist. That's it for the day. Okay, bye. Like, share, subscribe.